Hello and welcome back everyone. In the previous video we talked about installing Node.js, and in this video we are going to be talking about Heroku. So Heroku is a way you can host your application, and it's definitely recommended to download it because there will be a dedicated section in this course where we are going to learn how to use Heroku. So before downloading Heroku you need to download Git. So go to this link I've given in the docs and download the one which you are running on, either Mac OS, Windows or Linux. Now in Linux and Mac OS I believe it comes inbuilt, but in Windows you need to download it, and the installation is pretty straightforward, so I don't think you have to worry about it anyway. And then install Heroku through this link I've given here. So the Heroku can be installed in many ways. You can install it through npm, you can install it through Yay in Arch, you can install it through curl in Debian, you can install it through the Snap Store. In Mac you can install it through the Brute app, and in Windows you just get the basic installer. And all of these methods are pretty fine, but I recommend you to use the Snap Store if you're on Ubuntu, and I recommend you to use the Brew if you're on Mac, and the Windows installer if you're on Windows. So after you've installed Heroku, you should be able to go to your terminal and type Heroku -- version, and you should get something like this. Now if you don't, then I recommend you to go through the installation all over again. And this is it for this video. In the next video we're going to be talking about Visual Studio Code. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.